In order to solve the problem of efficient drilling of Stator tubes of Virginia equipment, Guangdong Dormi has equipped this 12-meter-long CNC double-hand round-tube drilling machine with the effective processing stroke of x-axis 12 meters, z-axis 200 mm, and 360 degrees rotation on a-axis. It's equipped with a precision servo harmonic rotating axis and a V-bearing support fixture to ensure the drilling stability of large pipes. The CNC multi-channel pneumatical control system is used to control two sets of servo-mechanical spindles respectively, and the drilling can be performed simultaneously to achieve one or two high-efficiency production. The machine has a high-degree automation precise positioning, which introduces manual intervention and improve work efficiency and product quality. The machine comes with a multi-touch intelligent anti-collision device to ensure that the two sets of spindles will not affect each other when processing at the same time, ensure the accuracy of the drilling position. Each transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor, with the high positioning accuracy more stable and faster. The lead screw and the gap wheel are strictly from the brand of Taiwan Heavy, with high stability. The transmission shaft of this machine is equipped with an automatic lubricating oil pump. The system is lubricated regularly and continually without the manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory, it's tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser in the 4 meter. For more model introduction, follow my media account to learn more.